Hey beauties, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make your crochet passion twist fuller without adding more boxes. Let's get it. You're going to take one of the twists from the package and separate the hair and find the loop where the crochet needle goes through. It's important that you make sure that your rubber band is not too tight around your section. It's important so that the hook and the hair can go through at the same time without causing any breakage. I also like to take my crochet needle from the bottom up, and it allows for the crochet hair to overlap your real hair. It just makes for a cleaner finish when you begin to twist. Now I'm going to take both strands of hair and pull them through the loop at the same time. And pull the crochet hair to tighten, making sure that the twist stays on top of the natural hair and not underneath. Now I'm going to separate the crocheted hair, but I'm going to go from the bottom up, gently unraveling the bottom and moving my way toward the top. Now I'm going to separate the natural hair into two sections. And then I'm also going to divide the crochet hair into two sections. I'm going to repeat this separation process again for the natural hair so I can begin the twisting process. I'm going to add a little bit of moisturizer to the hair strands one more time just to lock in the moisture, and I'm using a little bit of Blue Magic here. I'll put the link below. You're going to twist as normal. I'm doing the twist a little bit tighter. My client has a certain look that she's going for in the end, and this is how we achieve it. So if you want them to be looser and more fluffy, of course twist them loosely. And now you just repeat the same steps until you finish your entire head. So here you can see we have the jumbo twist look, minus the scarcity of the big boxes. So let's continue. And there you have it, a full head of crochet passion twists in half the time. Look at those boxes, nice and big. I think I did maybe a total of 6 boxes on one side, but it looks like she has a head full of twists. So that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and let the light inside of you make you more beautiful. Until next time, beauties.